So you're the IT director for a small medium organization. You just hired a new tech. What's one of the first things that should be on their dance card? Here's a hint. It ain't got nothing to do with tech, baby. One of the biggest challenges for MSPs, managed service providers like Simplex-IT, is how do we replace you? Spoiler alert, Simplex-IT, we do a lot of co-managed IT services where we want to have a partnership with you. But here's the thing. We want to be better, stronger, whatever. We're going to come at you with guns blazing, talking about how much more effective and efficient we can be. But you know, there's one thing we can't do, and that's know your company. One of the first things that I would do back when I was CIO, and I was CIO of a manufacturing company for about 15 years or so, every time we hired somebody, we would send them out for the first week or so to spend a day working at other people's jobs in the company. We wanted them to understand what it was like to work over in the manufacturing area, what it was like to work in customer service, what it was like to work at one of the branches, so they could understand, and not just a make work thing, but we wanted them to work with our end users, our clients, so that they had a value of what their headaches, when someone called with an issue, that they understood what that issue was and what the importance was for them to be responsive. If I were to ask you to tell me about your company and not mention any tech, could you lead me on a great conversation about what the values are that your organization brings to clients? If you can, you're better than an MSP in terms of dealing with that client, your company's values and what you do. If you can't, I got you. So here's my advice. Take every opportunity you have to increase your knowledge and the knowledge of your employees regarding just the regular operations of the business. Look for opportunities where technology can help, but don't push it. Don't sell it, because you're all in this together. Learn about what the new things are that's coming on. Learn what the headaches are and what headaches technology causes. Become empathetic about what they need. Be that consultant, but be that consultant who has an ongoing relationship. The more companies that do that, the more internal IT people do that, the more companies are going to be more immune from MSPs like Simplex-IT from coming after and taking your job. But here's the thing. Companies actually like Simplex-IT who do co-managed IT services, we can partner with you and make you even more successful by giving you more time to actually focus on that stuff. Because we're never going to be better than you at that if you put your mind to it. So tell me how you learn more about your organization. Comments below.